Here is the output of a simple program to add two numbers. Let's enter our first number on the screen as 98. Then let's enter the second number on the screen as 49. Now let's see the total on the screen. This is the correct total and the program is functioning correctly. Hey guys, you're watching Coding Science with Atish. I'm a 7th grader in Island Middle School in New Jersey, and this is my first program in C# that I learned about during COVID. Alright, here I am using Microsoft Visual Studio to run my program. You can use any free tool available on internet to run yours. As you can see, this program starts with a namespace that contains a class called as program, having a main method. We'll know more about namespace and class in my upcoming videos. For today, let's only focus on the main method, which is the starting point of the code execution. Now, let's start coding this program. We will start with a comment program to add two numbers. Double slash at the beginning of a line is used for writing comments. All lines starting with a double slash are skipped by the compiler and thus are not part of a program. Now we will use console.writeLine to display a prompt asking the user to enter the first number. Now in the next line, we will declare an integer variable called num1 and will read user's input to num1 using console.readLine. Since method readLine returns string, we need to convert user's input into integer before assigning to num1. Now we will declare another variable as num2 and assign user's second input as num2. Now we will store sum of both these numbers into a variable called as result and print. Finally, we will use console.writeLine to display the sum of the two numbers. I'm using Visual Studio as it has features like intelligence. You can see on the screen, if I put a dot after the console class, it will show me all methods from this class. So this feature makes it easier to write the code. In order to run the program, you can hit the function key F5 or click the green play button. Here is the output of a simple program to add two numbers. Let's enter our first number on the screen as 98. Then let's enter the second number on the screen as 49. Now let's see the total on the screen. This is the correct total and the program is functioning correctly. I know it's a very basic program, but it can serve as a kickstart to learn basics of programming and its concepts. Thanks for watching Coding Science, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Bye. Meet you next video.